G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on your Ford Focus. So you can see the service warning coming up here, and this is going to be for the 2011 model and onwards. So the first thing we need to do is turn the ignition back off. Then we want to go down here, hold the accelerator and brake pedal all the way down, turn the ignition back on, and we just want to hold those pedals down and wait for the service reset. So you can see that it's in progress here. Keep holding those pedals. It takes about 20 seconds to reset the service light. You can see it's still going. So we'll keep holding those pedals down, and there you go, it's saying that it's complete, which is perfect. So we can release the pedals and we can start the vehicle up. So there you go guys, that's how you reset the service light on your 2011 Plus Ford Focus. If this video helped you reset your service light, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.